Hi, welcome back. Today we're going to have a go at this question. It's said to be a hard SAT question, but I'd love to know what you think. Okay, let's give it a go. We have 8 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y. 8 can be rewritten as 2 to the power of 3. So we have 2 to the power of 3 to the power of x divided by 2 to the power of y. As per this rule here, if we have a number raised to a power and that's all raised to another power, we can rewrite that as that same number raised to the powers multiplied together. So this becomes 2 to the 3x. This is still 2 to the power of y. We now have the same bases. So, looking at this rule, if we have a number raised to a power and that's divided by the same number raised to a different power, then the answer is that same number raised to the difference between the powers. So, this becomes 2 to the power of 3 x minus y. Now we know that 3x minus y equals 12, so we can rewrite this as 2 to the power of 12. And that is our answer. So that's it. What do you think? Was that hard for an SAT question? Tell me in the comments below. See you next time.